Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will present about our project called Brainbridge, which is a student academic and collaboration system. So our group consists of 6 members and all of us from group CDCS4A, and our group consists of me, Shafa, Fatin, Erika, Balkis, Sarah and also AZREEN. So without further ado, let's just jump into the presentation. Hi, my name is SYAFARIEZA binti EFFENDI and my role is a leader, and I coordinate all of the module and I also create module for online calendar.
And hi, my name is Sarah Shamina and my role as create study material and design.
Hi, my name is Fatin Nur Ashifa. My role is create to-do list module.
Hi, my name is AZIME binti AZHAN and my role is creating the Q&A module.
Hi, my name is Erika and my role is create login, register and design.
Hi, my name is Balkis and my job is to create a dashboard and admin modules.
Hi everyone, I will presenting our system description for our project Brainbridge. So what is Brainbridge? Brainbridge is a student-friendly web platform that combines academic tools and productivity features all in one website. These include a study material on hub, a Q&A session, personal to-do list, and a calendar to help students to keep track of their important dates and their deadlines. So let's talk about the problems that we're trying to solve. From our own experience as a student, we found that it's hard to find trusted academic notes quickly, and there's no platform to ask certain questions and to get answers maybe from classmates or students, and often resources are too scattered, which make it hard to stay motivated. So all of these can lead to stress, draining, and low productivity. So this is our solution that we created. There are 4 key modules to tackle these problems.
So now I will explain about use case diagram. So here we have one main type of user, which is general user. Each user can register, log in, ask question, answer question, view, upload and download note. User can also manage their daily life by using our calendar system, which they can view, add event to the calendar and also make a to-do list. We also have admin user, which will take down any reported content that was made by other users.
So now let's talk about user and admin side in our systems. So for user, they are the main focus in our systems and they can access all of the main features such as Q&A platform, study material platform, to-do list and also online calendar. So all of these features has script function on it. And then for admin, we keep admin function is very simple, as admin has one special account with fixed credential, and this account they can only view all of the reported content. So this reported content, so admin can either delete or repost this content if needed. But the question is, why does we keep the admin role is very simple? Because we want to empower user to utilize all of this system for their knowledge, learning, and to organize their tasks. And then we just keep admin role just to keep the platform is very safe, clean, and very secure.
Now, let me explain the main modules that are part of the Brainbridge system. Brainbridge is designed to help students manage their academic life in one place. To achieve this, we have divided the system into several key modules. The first one is User Authentication module. This module handles user login and registration. It ensures that user can access their personalized dashboard and data securely. The second one is Study Materials module. This is where user can upload, download, and search for academic materials shared by other students. It encourages knowledge sharing within the community. The third one is To-Do List module. This will help the user manage their daily or weekly academic tasks. They can add tasks, mark them as complete, edit, or delete them. It's a great tool to stay organized and reduce procrastination.
So now I will show you about admin
admin dashboard. So on this admin dashboard, we have two things here, which is reported question and answer and reported study materials. What that this mean is a user or a student can report any maybe inappropriate files or inappropriate questions. So when a student report, it will come out to the admin reported dashboard. So we have here reported study material. So the admin can see what file and what subject that is, and the admin can view the files. So if the admin choose to repost, that means the file is okay and alright, so they can repost. But if that file was maybe inappropriate, they can remove the files. So let's just repost this, and it will show no reported study materials at the moment. So same goes to reported question and answer. So that is the user and admin account interface. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Now let's start to explain the interfaces in Brainbridge. So first thing first, when user visit Brainbridge website, it will display the login page. But before that, let's start with the registration flow. As you can see here, there are several forms of the registration. To user enters the details. So this is the registration page where a new user fills in their full name, username, email and password. Once submitted, the form sends the data to the same file register.php using the post method. In the PHP code, the form inputs are captured and inserted into the user table in the database using insert into. If successful, a pop-up appears, registration successful. Please log in, and the user is redirected to the login page. If the username or email already exists, the system shows an alert using JavaScript. But I would like to register new user. User click the register, and the registration successful. Please log in. Pop-up message will display. Then click OK. So new user just now can log in to the Brainbridge website. So the new information about the new user just now, it will display. It will automatically insert into the database, which is Brainbridge database, in the table user. So let's start to see the new information there. So here is as you can see here is the new information that I created just now. So we can log in to the database with user name with Shafa, the password Shafa211, and click login, and then it will directly the dashboard.
I'll proceed to our interface. So as we can see, after user login and register the account, we will go to our interface. We can see our logo here. We can see our welcoming message. We can see on the left side we have our navigation. We have calendar, study materials, Q&A, setting, and lookout. On the right side, we can see up here we have our own account. If user click here, user can update all the user information. So on this dashboard, we can see the upcoming event. So what's that? So let me show you how this feature works. So if a user want to create an event, for example, so this is my assignments, for example. So we can see here it will update a new event. So let's go back to our dashboard. Then we can see at our upcoming events, it will show the latest event that will come out based on what user key in the calendar. So also it will pop up here under the calendar. It will show a message, a quick glance message to show the user what event the user will going to have. So then we have to-do list. Same as calendar, in the user add, it will pop up a new event on this message. We have study materials, user account, and question and answers.
So now I will explain about the flow of online calendar. So we're back at the dashboard side. So the user can either click calendar on this sidebar or in this side. So let's say we want to enter from this side. So the calendar will be displayed. So the user can choose which month or year that they want to choose by either click on the previous button or the next button. So let's say we want to add event. So for event type, reminder. So submit. So let's check on the July. So the event that we add earlier has been added. Now let's see on the database. So the event that we add earlier has been displayed, has been inserted into the database. Now let's say we want to edit this information. So just click on this event. So all of the information has been pop up. So we just have to click this blue button. So it will bring to the update event form. So let's say we want to delete this title, urgent. So now update event. So let's check on July. So the information that we added earlier has been added. Now let's see on the database. So the information on the database also has been updated. Now let's say we want to delete this information. The user can just click on this red button and let's check again. So the information that we had earlier has been deleted. Now let's check on the database. So test Csc577, the event that we had earlier has been deleted also in database. So on this dashboard, as you can see on the calendar side, all of the event that we had earlier will be pop up in this container, and also in this container for the upcoming event, so that the user can aware which event that which upcoming event that they have to remind, that they have to do, and all of that.
Okay, now I will proceed with the to-do list part. In this part, we can add our task in the to-do list. If we click the add task button, it will pop up add new task form, and we can fill in the form such as study Csc574. Our description is chapter 3. If we save the task, it will save in this part and also in the database. We also can edit the task. If we click the edit button, we can edit 5, 7. If we save the task, it also can save the edit in the database. The database also can change, and we also can use the delete part. If we delete this, the localhost will say, "I sure you want to delete this task," and if we click the OK, the database will also delete the information. Okay, that's all in my part, and I will pass to the next person.
So now I will continue by presenting the study material section in Brainbridge. In this part, allows students to easily upload, find, and also download academic notes. So on the main page of the study material, users are welcome with categories like, for example, computer science that has been uploaded by other user, and they can also see the recently added material right away. So at the top, there is a search bar. When user type a keyword, for example, chat 1, the system will quickly show the matching material. So in this system making it fast to find what user need. So next, if user wanted to upload a note, they can go to the upload page and then fill in the title, name, subject, and also file, and then just click the upload note. So user can also view material by subject. For example, when we click on the compiler, we will see all the uploaded file for the subject with the option download, edit, or delete. So user can edit their document that has been uploaded and then save. And then they also can delete the document that they has been uploaded. So if user wanted to report the document that has been uploaded by other user, they just can click report, and then it will go to admin section. So In short, this section helps students share and access notes efficiently, supporting better collaboration and learning.
So next, I will explain about the Q&A module. So when the user click on the Q&A in the navigation bar, they will be redirected to the Q&A page. Here, they can see a list of the existing questions that have been uploaded by other users. So user can view this question and answer them by clicking the answer button. As you can see, I will enter the answer and click the submit, and it will pop up the answer that I have already set. So next I will go to the database and I will refresh it, and you can see that I have the answer is already in the database. So next, user can also ask their own question by clicking on the ask button, ask question button. So I will for example, I will enter and for the details, and for the expecting is optional, but I will also enter it. Okay. Anyone? So now I will post the question, and after clicking the submit button, and a notification will confirm that the question has been submitted. So it will direct to the main page of the Q&A. Now, as you can see, I have the new question that I have already submitted. Okay, in the database, you can also see the new question that I have already uploaded. So, if the user wants to help by answering question, they can click the unanswered button to view all the questions that haven't been answered yet. So, meanwhile, the active button shows all the questions that already have the answer. So, lastly, if user want to search for the specific question, they can use the search bar. For example, I will type about PHP, and I will search, and it will show the question that are linked to the PHP words. So we also provide the edit and delete button for only of our question. So I will click the edit button and edit it a little bit and update the question, and you can see that it's already updated and also in the database. So that's all for the question page.
So now I will explain about setting. So let's say if the user want to update its information, so the user can just click setting on the sidebar. So the user account form will be pop up. So let's say we want to change the username into Shafa110, and then for password we change it into 123. So click update account, and then we try to log in again. So click log out first, and then we try to log in. Shafa110, and then 123. So now the information has been updated. Now let's see on the database. In user table, now the username has been updated.
Next is main.php, which displays our questions, filter by status. If you can see here, is filter active the SQL where q.questionID in select question ID from answer, order by q.questionID descending, else if filter unanswered, where q.questionID not in select question ID from answer, order by q.questionID descending, else order by question ID descending. So users can filter questions by news, active or unanswered. So for the search question, as you can see here, search SQL Q title like escape, modulus escape or Q text like modulus escape. Search allows users to find questions by keyword. For the action buttons, only the author can see edit and delete buttons. Now, let's move to the read part handled by front.php. As you can see here, we show the login user's name at the top by using select username from user where user ID. Then to display subjects, in this code, we use query select distinct subject from node. This query retrieves all available subject from the database. Then to generate subject cards, we use echo div class subject. For each subject becomes a clickable card that filters nodes by that subject. And to display recently added, we use query select star from node where title like search escape or subject like search escape ordered by node ID descending. And for this section, display the most recently updated nodes. And as you can see here, for the action buttons, if user ID, not user ID, it will use echo edit node, delete node. So user can only edit and delete their own nodes, and for the rest, others can only report the nodes.
So next we move to database part, which is for our system Brainbridge. We designed a relational database called Brainbridge DB using MySQL. The database contains 6 main tables that store all user and system data. So the first one is the core table, which is user table, which stores user information such as full name, username, email and password. So next we move to node table that allow user to upload study material. Each node is linked to a user through the user ID and include details like the title, subject and also file path. And user can also ask and answer question. This is handled through the question and also answer table. Question include a titles, full description, expected answer. Answer are linked to both the question and also the user who answer. To help with time management, we include a calendar event table to store schedule event with title, description, date and also status. And each of these events belong to the user. And lastly, we have to-do table, which is the to-do table track tasks related to event. So each to-do item has a title, description and a status indicating whether it's complete or not. So all relationships are connected via user ID and foreign key help ensure data consistency across the system. Overall, this database ensures all user content, instruction and time management tools are organized and easy to retrieve.
So in conclusion, Brainbridge is a complete learning support platform that offers more than just a question and answer features. It includes a calendar system, to-do list, note sharing, file upload, and also a file upload and download, and of course question and answer section. All these features are designed to help users manage their learning better, stay organized, and share knowledge with others. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope Brainbridge can make the learning process easier, more interactive, and more connected for everyone. That's all from us. Thank you.